Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Telegram's connecting problem. So if you are facing connection problem with your Telegram and you want to fix that, so to fix that what you have to do is first of all check if you have a stable internet connection. So after checking that, what you can do is just open up your Play Store and then check if you have an update in Telegram. So just type in Telegram, and then here you have to check if your Telegram has an update. So if your Telegram does have an update, what you can do is just simply update your Telegram application, and after updating your Telegram application you should fix your problem. So after doing this, now what you can do is just simply come back to your home screen and then check if your Telegram is working or not. So if you are still facing the connection problem with your Telegram, then what you can do is just simply tap and hold on your Telegram application and then tap on this eye icon. And after tapping on that, now you have to tap on storage and cache. Make sure that you clear your cache. And after clearing your cache, what will happen is you will fix any issues or bugs that you are facing with your Telegram. And after doing that, just tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And after tapping on mobile data and Wi-Fi, just turn this option on, which is background data, and also turn this option on, which is unrestricted data uses. So just don't restrict data for Telegram. And after doing that, you should fix your problem. So simply go ahead and check if that fixed your problem, but if that still does not fix your problem, then what you can do is just simply uninstall and reinstall your Telegram application, and that should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Telegram's connecting problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.